my beautiful YouTube family, welcome to my channel AirainonWonders. So today we are making rice paper roll. So this is a roll of veggies and there are ingredients for this roll, rice paper roll. So first there are carrot, cucumber and mint. This is fried noodles with mixed with spices. Its taste is very nice. And these are lettuce. So let's make it. Let's open it. Let's take out the rice paper. Wow, these are the rice papers. Let's take out them. Let's put it in the water. So the rice paper is moistured, so it's ready for the dish. So let's make it. So first we'll put a lettuce and we'll put some fried noodles. You can look at, and it's looking very nice. Let's put some julienne carrots and also cucumber. And at the last, coriander. And let's roll it where we put the veggies. Like this. And we have to cover it from the side so it will not come out. We have to cover it at the both sides. I'm very excited to eat it. And then let's roll it. It's looking very nice. And let's cut it from the middle. Yeah. Look, the veggies, it's looking very yummy and it's ready to eat.